Hey everyone, I'm Stana, and this video is gonna be about my apartment in Bangkok. And most importantly, at the end of this video, I will tell you how much this apartment costs. Let's do it! Today I'm gonna review my condo in Bangkok, Thailand. It's my building and it has 41 floors, and there is all the most beautiful on the last floor. Also, there is a small area in front of the building. We also have a small area where you can take a walk, but it's not the big to roam around. Now I want to show you a separate building we have here, and there are additional cool things inside. We enter here, and here we have this space where people work, relax, and meet someone. We also have a ladder. There are a few more rooms where you can work. For example, people are sitting here, work quietly. I say hello to you. And now we're going up to the second floor. On the second floor, as soon as we go up, we have a yoga room here. That means you can practice yoga calmly. It's an amazing light space, simply and large hall. There are hoops, balls, and you can dance, do whatever you like. We also have a few rooms. It's closed right now, but there is a golf simulator. You can come in here and play golf on the simulator. And the next room is the billiard area. People played and there are 2 tables. I've already played and it was really cool. There is a kid room, a room for kids to play, spend time, riding balls, I don't know, have fun. If you look from the second floor, everything looks like this. Very beautiful. Marble stairs, there is a reception, and now we can go downstairs. Also, we have a living room and a meeting room on the ground floor. There is a place where people work, and here you can just sit. And in the meeting room you need to reserve a spot in advance because they hold conference there, as I understand it. And there is a beautiful garden. Everything is well kept and maintained. And when we go to our house, we have the main entrance. Well, we usually go through this one. And here we have some cool things like a salon where they provide spa, massages, cosmetology services, and something like that. On the other side, we have a restaurant where you can come and eat, and they always have many visitors. And then we have this corridor, and here some offices or something like that. People work there. We have another beauty salon. It's not as fancy as the other one. You can get a manicure, pedicure, I guess. Another cafe where you can take food to go, coffee or matcha, for example. Everything is cool. On the other side, we have an office. People work here too. But honestly, I don't know who. There is some empty space. And 7-Eleven, just selling their essentials, basic necessities, everything is cool. You can always buy everything. And now we enter the main hall. Well, there are always some meetings, people sit, relax and work sometimes. I don't know how they do something here because there is no air conditioning. It's very, very hot, guys. Also, there is some kind of wind blowing, but still no air conditioning. And also there is nowhere to walk around. This is how our whole area looks like. Everything is quite simple. This is the main entrance. People just sit, drink coffee, order something. We also have 2 vending machines in the building. One selling sandwiches, salads, and the other selling beverages. So from this side we have salads and sandwiches. There is Tao Bean. It's a very popular line of machines where you can order coffee, sweet drinks, lemonades, and such. I don't understand anything, but it's interesting. Everything is in Thai. Actually, I can't say what it is, but there is always a choice. This is another area. This is the reception on the side. And on the other side, we have elevators and the mail room where people receive their orders. Well, we use these cards in the building. We
With this card you can go to the different floors, except the private floors, and apart from the floor where your apartment is, and can't access any other floors, only public areas. That's how it works. So for example, I can go to the floor with the pool, gym and everything, but I can go to the 12th floor where the apartment is if I live on the 11th floor, and I can now to the 6th floors because there is one of the public spaces. When I come in, I can just go out to the garden and shoot here in the garden. It's very beautiful here. Absolutely any resident of this building can come here. Everything looks very beautiful. You can relax, work. As you can see, it's quite calm here. It looks very beautiful. By the way, with such a beautiful view, there is the Golden Mount, the Parliament. And here you can take a leisurely stroll along this path. Spend time, make TikToks, reels, and do whatever you want. So everything looks quite beautiful. I really like it. After I came out, I can immediately see this family pool. Okay, I decided to come here because we need to show how beautiful this pool. It's small. I guess it's for children because it's called a family pool. There are tables where you can sit and relax with this magnificent view. It's all very well maintained and beautiful. We also have another area. This is another pool, I understand. It's not very deep, right? It's so small and not very deep. It's really nice to spend time here. It's just for kids to sit, I don't know, sunbath, relax. So everything looks quite nice. Swimming with such a view is beautiful. This pool is on the 6th floor and soon we will go to other pool. By the way, there are areas where you can sit, I guess even lie down. But guys, this pool is very small. It's a really family place. I think let's go higher. You usually use your card and you press the button with your floor. As you probably already guessed, I came to the floor where I lie. This is how our corridor looks like. Alright, we're at the apartment on the 39th floor. We're super lucky and it looks quite beautiful. Here we have coffee tables and a sofa. The apartment is very small. In Thailand, this is quite common. We have one suitcase, table and a bed. We also have a wardrobe on the side and a small workspace where we don't work. And here, of course, the amazing view of the city, right? Everything looks very nice, guys. Looks like a huge cloud is coming and there is a balcony where you can go out. So that's how the apartment looks from the side. There is a glass door that can be closed. And then we have a very small kitchen like this. But in Asia, it's not common to have a kitchen, so having one is already a joy. We also have a second balcony. There is nothing except to washing machine. Yeah, in Asia, it's normal to keep a washing machine on the balcony. And here we also have the bathroom. Nothing special here, just a shower. And I'm in front of the huge mirror with our swimsuits. Well, that's all. A sink, a toilet, a shower. So this is our apartment. Is very cozy and cute. We also have smart TV and there are some cabinets for storage. We keep shoes here. And it's just an ordinary apartment, but very cute. Let's go higher. On the 4th floor, we have the gym. It's very beautiful, such as an amazing view. And also on the 4th floor, as you can see, there's a pool. People are using it now, so I won't shoot them. And let's go to the 2nd floor. And on the 2nd floor is pretty much the same. I think it's great that our gym is 2 floors. Okay, guys, I won't shoot people. The view is beautiful here too. And now, guys, we're going over there. Of course, we're entering this fabulous pool with enormous view of the city. This pool is already for adults. It's deep and with such a view, the pool is huge. I swim here every day, but right now there are people swimming and I'm shooting. There are also some areas for relaxation. There are several sun loungers and this is some kind of decorative feature like stones and everything everything looks quite beautiful. And now we're going to the top floor. This is the 41st floor, and here we have the Sky Lounge. There is just an enormous space where people work. It's a huge space with a great view of the pool as well, also with a view of the entire city. Here you can work, relax and enjoy the view. Well guys, I promised to tell how much my apartment in Bangkok costs. So I paid $500 a month for this apartment. I think it's very cheap price for this place because all the things that I showed on this video are included in the price of this apartment. But if you want to rent some apartment for the year, you can find cheaper. But I rented my apartment on Airbnb and it's always more expensive. The average cost of similar housing is about $400 per month. I hope you really like my review for this apartment in Bangkok. And guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.